Hey there guys, DARTH Gaming here. You may know me as Kyle. That's my real name. From here on out, things on the channel are going to be different. All summer long, you guys have expected a series. Sorry guys, the reason I'm not posting in 2 days is allergies, you know. We're going to go by 3 words. I did all these series. People are just asking for more. I did Golden Ghost, Black Sheep, White Sheep, Christmas series, Personality series, Apocalyptic series, mini series, Rage series or something like that. Kill a Slasher or something. I don't know. From here on out, things are going to be different, like I was saying. We're going by 3 words right now. 3 very important words. Redesign. I will redesign myself. I already shaved my head. I will redesign, recreate everything I am. Rebuild. I'm gonna rebuild everything about me. My attitude, my personality, everything. Reclaim. I will reclaim my spot at the top of YouTube. We are going to grow faster than we ever have. Redesign, rebuild, reclaim. That is up to you if you want to come with me on this journey. Okay. What? I've already said too much, haven't I? Redesign, rebuild, reclaim. Let's roll. You ready? I'll see you on the other side.